Let's explore the proxy bidding feature in AuctionWorx. With this feature, buyers can set a maximum bid, and AuctionWorx will automatically place bids on their behalf whenever a new bid is placed by other users. This ensures that the buyer remains the highest bidder without needing to constantly monitor the auction. Let's enable the proxy bidding. As a seller, enable the proxy bidding option when creating or editing the event. Let's see how it works. Ben sets a max bid of $50,000. Robert bids $30,000. And the system automatically increases Ben's bid to $30,100. Robert then bids $40,000. And Ben's bid is again automatically updated to $40,100. If someone outbids Ben, he'll get an email notification. This is how proxy bidding keeps you competitive without having to monitor the auction constantly. Thank you for watching.